I've got some very important news to be discussing with you in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of the top cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I go over your portfolio and a lot of other services. With the #1 profiting community on Patreon, you're going to want to get in fast before the price goes up and before all spots fill up. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So see how much you win. And if you love cryptocurrencies, subscribe with the bell rung, tap that like button. It really does help with the growth of the channel. And what are you guys currently holding, and what do you want to hold more of, and why? Guys, cryptos are going absolutely crazy right now. So if you listen to me and got positioned very well, right now you are reaping the profits. With Bitcoin above $40,000, Ethereum above $3,000, and some of the biggest green candlesticks that we've ever seen for crypto on the charts right now. With a cup and handle formation playing out in the Bitcoin charts, we are about to break our level of resistance, which are actually going to send the top cryptos, the top altcoins, going crazy. So once again, you have that opportunity, that entry point, the perfect entry point to get in before this does happen. I'm expecting once we do break that level of resistance for Bitcoin to quickly go on up to $50,000+. I called this uptrend, and that's why I'm so diligent watching the charts throughout the day, because it does pay off. If you bought the dip on Ethereum when I called it out at $2,100, guys, you've already made over 30% on your investment, and this was just the other day within only a couple weeks period of time. With the Shiba Inu and Dogecoin dip, you've already made a lot of money as well. Over 20% on Dogecoin and over 40% on Shiba Inu. So congratulations to those of my patrons. Guys, you want to be doing exactly the opposite of what your emotions tell you to do. Just as Warren Buffett says, when others are fearful, that's when you want to be getting greedy. Accumulating as much as you possibly can so that you can reap the benefits when it does go up just thereafter, because with every dip we must have a peak, and with every peak we must have a dip. It's just the way it works. Guys, some massive news. A crypto article came out titled, "Ted Cruz buys the Bitcoin dip." This is such good news because when the big whales out there, the smart money then starts to buy in, that's the beginning of FOMO. That's the beginning of a huge surge for the smaller retail investors to get in once they see this smart money getting in, and that's when it's unstoppable. That's when we'll break out, and we'll break out very quickly. And people got rich on crypto, guys, not because they bought it on the uptrend, but rather because they did buy on these dips, just as I tell you guys about. Guys, another huge crypto article came out titled, "Bitcoin returns to 40K, liquidating over 50 million in shorts within just hours." It's sudden death for those who were shorting Bitcoin or altcoins back in early February, as major upside levels reappear after a 2-week absence. These big whales out there who were bearish, shorting the market, are then forced to rebuy their position as they see the market go up so that they can just barely break even as their fingers are crossed behind their backs. You're going to want a dollar cost average when you're investing, only putting about 10% of your overall investment in each and every time. That way you're making money on average with each trade in the long run. And guys, as we take a look at the Ethereum charts, we can see that despite having come down, guys, because with every peak we must have a dip, Ethereum is too powerful. We had a triple bottom 1, 2, and 3, which is incredibly bullish as well, and that sent us straight up. Guys, we're coming down again for the perfect entry point, so you don't want to miss another perfect entry. So you want to be ready for that when I call it out. You want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip when it's steep enough that I call it out, and be ready to sell when we reach our cycle top. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth of $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.